We interrupt this program for emergency weather broadcast.
This is news and this is your emergency weather report. You hear that? Look upon the weather. 21 degrees in my youth. The place cold here. Me don't need no degree like me a Roland. The place cold and I just that. If you don't need to go outside, don't wicked to yourself and go out there. So you see if your woman a talk about she a go outside and she not work, she not go to school, she not have to pick up the picnic them, a cocky she a look at that me I tell you. Boston, you know, done see what going already, 12 degrees, you know. I talk about warm up the car. We about to go park the car and all them something. Me now go outside. What we really are going there, so? Me don't even know where this day, you know. Burlington. That's why they call it Burlington Coat Factory. Because the place are 1 degree, you know. Yo, hear me I say, man, foreign, me can't deal with foreign rasta. Hear me I say, the place cold. If you don't need to go outside, stay indoors. And that me I tell you now. Like I love you.